Thanks for watching. Hi guys, thanks for watching this video. In this video, you will learn how to make sleeveless half blazer pattern. So enjoy with full video. Like, share, comment, subscribe, click bell icon button for next. So let's get started. Drawing a vertical line. Find center back line. Draw horizontal line. Shoulder and neck line. Half neck width says 38 divided by 12. We got 318. Shoulder 17, halves 8 half. Shoulder slope says 38 divided by 24. We got 158 inch. Shoulder line 3/4 inch shoulder forward. Drawing back neckline, armor deep position says 38 divided by 4, 9.5 inch. Blazer length 16 inch, 2 inch seam margin. Draw bottom line, chest and armor line. Half inch intake, 1/4 inch intake at center back line. Back cross point 2/4 from armor line. Back cross line. Across back 16 inch, half 8 inch. Chest 38 divided by 4, we got 9.5 inch. Waist 34 divided by 4, we got 8.5 inch. Half inch flash for dart, waist dart 9, half 4.5. Eleven half inch dart placement from HPS. Dart in point. Half inch dart seam margin. 2 inch bottom hem seam allowance. Side seam line, back armor line, green line, ladies sleeveless half blazer back part. Drawing finish half inch seam margin. Three-eighth seam margin at center back. 3/8 seam margin at center back. Three-eighth seam margin at back armor line. Ladies sleeveless half blazer pattern, back pattern. drawing marking, cutting, finish. Now here back front part same as the back. Now here I draw back part same for drawing front part. Ladies sleeveless half blazer back part pattern making finish. Now front part making and wrap. Center front line. Front shoulder and neckline. Sister armhole. Half front neck with 318. Front neck deep 318. Same as the back with 3/4 lapel full line, 12-inch lapel break point. First button, second button, 3.5 inch, 3/4 inch center front overlap. Lapel break point, first button, second button. Lapel break point, 3/4. Here also 3/4. Two and half inch lapel wide. Lapel outer line. Center front. Front waist dart. Across front 15.5 inch half, 7 3/4 inch. Center front line, half inch seam margin, shoulder slope 158, shoulder 17.5, half shoulder 17, half 8.5 inch, 158 shoulder slope, front shoulder line, eight and half inch shoulder, half inch seam margin, front armhole, three-eight seam margin at center front. Sorry, I mistake. Back shoulder round shape like this way. Before I make like this way, now I correction this way. Same. Front shoulder, back shoulder, same line. Here I drawing front body is green line. Front part cutting. Now here I cut front bodies part, ladies sleeveless half blazer front part cutting. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Ladies sleeveless half blazer front part, drawing and cutting finish. Before I cut back part, armhole shaping nicely armhole shaping U shape. Back front after making, I compare armhole and shoulder, back and front armhole line is smoothly shaped and neckline smoothly shaped, nice shape armhole and for neckline so shoulder. Now here make collar, same shape, front neckline, back neckline measure, 3/8 seam allowance, 3/4 inch seam allowance, 3/4 inch back neckline, shoulder point, shoulder line, 3/4 inch band, collar height 2 inch, 1/4 inch collar lapel point, collar point 118. Now here I make blazer collar, ladies half blazer collar pattern making. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe my channel. Click the icon button for next video. Collar band. This is collar finish pattern. Collar band, collar. Collar cutting pattern. 3/8 seam allowance. Collar band cutting pattern. 3/8 seam allowance. Collar green line. Collar band green line. Blazer collar. Blazer collar band. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Click bell icon button for next. Front part, back part. Now here I drawing center front lapel with shoulder 2 inch, bottom hem 3 inch from a center front edge line. Inside lapel up to bottom. Three seam margin inside lapel, lapel green line, break point nose mark, lapel point nose mark, armhole inside facing, one inch armhole inside facing with 4 inch center back move, Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video.